Hey guys, so getting started for this, you're going to need rice. Any rice will do. Brown rice and organic rice is better because they're higher in nutrients. You'll also need a mason jar as well as a strainer to strain your rice water. And then you'll also need any empty spray bottle that you have. I'm also going to be using 2 cups of water to wash my rice. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this rice in 2 cups of water. I'm going to wash it twice just to make sure I get off any debris that may have been in and on the rice. And then once that rice has been cleaned twice, then I'll add the water on top of it, which I'm going to use for my rice water. So I'm stirring the rice just to make sure that I'm freeing it of any free radical that may be in the rice. And then once that has been cleaned, we'll come back and then add about 2 cups of water on top of it. So now we have clean rice. I'm going to add 2 cups of water on top and then also mix it again just to release all the nutrients that's in the rice. So you're looking for a cloudy white color when you start mixing the rice. Now we're going to add the water to the mason jar that we have. I think it's beneficial just to use a pint measuring cup because it has the spout where you can pour through. You're going to add the water right into the mason jar. Now here you have your rice water. Very easy. You're going to cover this. You're going to leave it in a cupboard or in a dark space for about 12, 24 hours, whichever one works best for you. The longer you leave it, the better it is. You can use just the water and ferment it, but I prefer to put the rice in the rice water because it's going to release more nutrients if you have the rice in the rice water. So I add the rice to my rice water and then seal that and let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. The night before, I already prepared my rice water, so this has been sitting for 12 hours. So I'm going to take that rice water and grab my strainer. I'm just going to strain that rice water directly into the pint cup that I have to then pour that into my spray bottle. Now be careful, this smells horrible. I personally think it smells like baby puke or vomit. Sorry to be so descriptive, but that's what it smells like. I'm going to grab my spray bottle and pour the rice water directly into the spray bottle, leaving about an inch or inch and a half space just to add some essential oils to get rid of that odor from the rice water. My 2 favorite oils to use are peppermint oil and lavender oil. Peppermint oil is going to invigorate the scalp to promote blood flow and increase hair growth. And then also lavender oil smells really amazing. So I'm going to add 5 drops of peppermint oil and about 8 drops of lavender oil because it smells so good. Shake that up and then you're all done. That is your rice water. I prefer to use rice water while I'm deep conditioning because rice water is a heavy protein treatment. So to make sure I don't have protein overload, I mix my rice water and my moisturizing deep conditioner just to have that moisture and protein balance. Then I twist that up, let that sit in my hair for about an hour to an hour and a half and then rinse it out. I've noticed that since using rice water, my curl texture is way more defined, my hair is stronger, and my hair is shinier and healthier. So I'm definitely going to keep using it. I think it's really great to add it to your deep conditioner routine to prevent protein overload. So that's how I make and use my rice water. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Every view counts. If you haven't as yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button so you know when I post another video. I really appreciate your support and hope to see you in the next video.